What's going on, guys? It's Jimmy here. Welcome to our daily show. We discuss everything going on here in our country that you need to know about here on a daily basis. We got a lot going on here right now as millions, tens of millions of people are gearing up for the fourth largest Social Security raise ever. That's right, 8.7% here coming here in January. Some people are actually getting it here at the end of December. If you watch my most recent video here on the Social Security payment schedule and also the potential $2,400 Social Security raise coming that Congress is trying to pass here. If you didn't see that, I'll link that video here to you at the end of this video so you can see that. I'll keep you up to date here on everything going on here in our country on a daily basis. But in this video, I want to cover a couple different important things for you guys, including number one, why not all Social Security beneficiaries will get an 8.7% COLA raise next week. How to check if you're affected. That's right. Some people are not going to get the full 8.7% raise. Yeah. And we'll go over that here in this video, as well as 4 freebies and discounts that millions of people on SSI, SSDI, and others can get in January. See if you can claim thousands of dollars in extra help. We'll go over that and more here in this video. So if you're new to our channel or if you haven't yet, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. It's completely free to do so. This way you won't miss out on new videos. Remember, the new videos come out here on our YouTube channel every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Click the bell icon after you subscribe so you get notifications and you won't miss out on our new videos. And also, thanks so much for hitting the like button and share these videos with your friends and family as well so that they can see our videos. Remember, it's completely free to do all this stuff. I don't charge anything to watch our videos or anything like that. There are people that try to do that. Yeah, so I'll keep you up to date here. Let's jump right in. Okay, first, let's start with why not all Social Security claimants or beneficiaries will get the 8.7 Social Security raise for 2023 or the Social Security increase in 2023. COLA raise that's coming next week, and how to check if you're affected. Here's the details on this. Yeah, some Social Security claimants may see differing amounts to their benefit checks regardless of the cost of living adjustment known as COLA. Yeah, depending on the primary insurance amount known as PIA, PIA, some Social Security checks could be higher or lower than the 8.7% increase. Yeah, I found this very interesting. Yeah, here's the details. Social Security claimants will likely see differing payments. According to the Social Security Administration, the PIA or the PIA is the benefit a person would receive if they start receiving retirement benefits at the normal retirement age. At this age, the benefit is neither reduced for early retirement nor increased for delayed retirement. Just know this is before dollar rounding down to the next whole dollar. Simply put, this means that COLA is applied to your PIA and not what you're currently receiving in benefits. Yeah, so hope this makes sense. I know some of this sounds like it's in French. To go a little deeper, understanding the PIA, according to the Social Security Administration, the PIA formula is calculated based on the sum of 3 separate percentages of portions of average indexed monthly earnings. The portions depend on the following: the year a worker becomes age 62, if they become disabled before age 62, or if they die before the age of 62. This is why the age you claim is important in terms of your COLA or cost of living adjustment. If you wait until the full retirement age, FRA, your PIA and monthly payment could be the same. However, if you claim benefits at a different age, the Social Security Administration will run a different calculation. This will adjust the PIA up or down for those who claim early or late. This means that those who claim before their full retirement age could get lower payments, and those who wait will score the highest payments. So that's probably the easiest sentence to understand that. This means that those who claim before their full retirement age could get lower payments, and those who wait could get the highest payments. Who will get higher payments? While age is an important factor, so are your Medicare Part B premiums. Because these will be lowered next year, you may actually get a higher benefit check. Remember that Medicare Part B is actually going down by around $5, which is like the first time ever. To actually not see them go up is actually amazing. Remember last year they went up by, was around $20. And remember inflation is actually higher this year than last year. So that alone is a blessing in disguise. This is because premiums are deducted from your Social Security payment, meaning claimants will have less taken out next year than they did this year, unless this is the first time you're getting Medicare taken out of your check. Who will get lower payments? Your payment will be higher if you already collect Social Security but sign up for Medicare for the first time next year, kind of like I mentioned. This is due to Medicare Part B premium being withheld from your monthly Social Security payment. Next year's COLA is the raise, cost of living adjustment, is 8.7% and aims to provide struggling Americans with some relief from high inflation. The boost will impact beneficiaries of Social Security, SSI, Supplemental Security Income, and SSDI, Social Security Disability SSDI programs. Some will see an average of $144.10 more a month for the first time when they receive their January checks. That's based on the average amount of Social Security, which is somewhere in like the $1,500 per month range nowadays. Also, I know that can be kind of confusing. If you have any comments or questions, please comment down below in the comments section, or just feel free to read through it, because I'm sure there'll be a lot of comments and questions that people talking back and forth. We have the absolute best YouTube community. We call it our YouTube family here. Thousands and thousands. We're getting close to 500,000 YouTube subscribers here. Remember, it's completely free to subscribe, and just basically it just makes so you won't miss out on our videos. YouTube algorithm will show you our videos more often and stuff like that. But you can comment down below, ask a question, or really just read through them if you want to. We have a really, really warm YouTube family here, so you can just read through those and just peruse through them if you want to, and just read the questions or comments down below. Next up, 4 freebies and discounts that SSI and SSDI claimants, or maybe even low-income people in general, can get in January. See if you can claim thousands of dollars in extra help. Yeah, additional benefits that recipients of SSI and SSDI income can start receiving next year have been revealed. Cash isn't the only benefit that SSI or SSDI can receive. They can also score freebies or discounts like dental care products, some pain relievers, and first aid goods. Let me know if there's some of these that you didn't know about down below in the comments. Other perks include bigger items like free refrigerators and even free park passes. Below, we've rounded up just 4 of the programs where beneficiaries can score free or discounted items. Just note that the distribution of some discounts depends on your state and enrolled programs. If you apply now, you should be able to get help in January. Number 1, internet access. We've talked about this here before on our show if you've been watching for a while. The Affordable Connectivity Program, the ACP, I'd actually changed names once before, provides SSI recipients with internet access at discounted rates. I believe it's really just for low-income people as well. This assistance will not affect your SSI payment. The ACP program provides a discount of up to $30 per month towards internet service for eligible households. plus $75 per month is given to households on qualifying tribal lands. So all you need to do for this to see if you qualify to get a discount on your internet provider, there's really dozens and dozens of internet providers that you can get a $30 per month internet discount on. If you don't get it, just go to Google and type in affordable connectivity program. And you can see here, this is directly from the FCC, or the website here is fcc.gov/ACP. fcc.gov/ACP. And you can go on here and you can see here the benefit provides a discount of up to $30 per month towards internet service. In most cases, you don't have to switch internet services at all. And it's eligible to people who are on SNAP, Medicaid. If you get free or reduced school lunch programs, if you're on SSI, if you're on WIC, veterans pensions, survivors, TANF, all these different kind of things, and you can apply now right to the website. This is a government program, and basically you're just going to save $30 per month by applying for this. I've had lots of people already get this. Or if you're on federal public housing assistance. Okay. You can also get $100 towards purchasing a laptop, desktop computer, tablet, or other things like that. Next up, smartphone and phone service. Those enrolled in SSI and SSDI may qualify for free phone with service included. The Lifeline program, also known as Obama Phone, remember that old funny video, Obama Phone? Remember that when it went viral back in the day? Is administered by the FCC and provides monthly phone or broadband internet to low-income individuals or families. The grant is limited to $9.25 per household per month. So I don't know exactly how that works. Plus, the program has since expanded to its inception. Cell phone carriers provide up to 1,000 free minutes per month in addition to unlimited text. Individuals must have an income at or below 135% of the federal poverty level, and it will include one of the following assistance programs: SNAP, SSI, Medicaid, Federal Public Housing Assistance, Bureau of Indian Affairs General Assistance, TANF, food distribution, or veterans pensions or survivors benefits. So I think if you want to look this one up, I think it's called the Lifeline program. Yeah, just go to Google and type in the Lifeline program, and it should be this first result at fcc.gov if you want to apply for that. Number 3, energy efficient home appliances. Thanks to the Weatherization Assistance Program called WAP from the U.S. Department of Energy, SSI claimants can grab some appliances at a discount or for free. This is a program from the Low Income Home Energy Assistance Program known as LIHEAP, which we've talked about, LIHEAP and the HEAP program, where some states accept winter applicants until January 31st, so time is ticking. This program is an incentive to meet energy efficient goals, lowering energy and housing costs. A lot of people are saying their electricity bills are going up sky high. A lot of this is because rising gas prices and natural gas prices. About 40% of electricity bills are because of natural gas prices. Yeah. WAP offers government grants for the free replacement of broken furnaces, energy inefficient refrigerators, and deep freezers. Claimants can grab roof repairs, window replacements, and HVAC fixes for free. Since the program differs by state, eligibility may vary. Head to the WAP website, which is at energy.gov, or click on your state to see if you qualify for free appliances. So you might want to go to energy.gov or just kind of Google this program to find it. Over-the-counter health products. Those enrolled in SSI, SSDI, or both Medicare and Medicaid may be eligible for free over-the-counter health products. Depending on your state and program, some products include bathroom scales, blood pressure monitors, heating pad, electric toothbrushes, shower benches, vitamins and supplements, including multivitamins, fish oil, allergy remedies, acid reducers, cough syrup and acids, pain relievers like ibuprofen, aspirin, acetaminophen, digestive health products, dental care products, toothpaste, all these different things here, first aid products. To qualify for SSI will depend on your earnings and your assets. As you can see here, those who claim Social Security tend to receive less in SSI products if they qualify for both. If you plan to apply for SSI, you can begin the application process and complete a large part of the application on the SSA website. You can also call toll-free on this phone number on the screen. To qualify for SSDI benefits, you must have worked, you can pause the video here if you need to, have worked in a job covered by Social Security, have a medical condition that meets Social Security's strict definition of disability. I also have another interesting story to cover here with you on how Social Security is denying uh, these. I'll cover that here with you guys in an upcoming video. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe down below to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on new videos that come out here every day at 10 a.m., 3 p.m., and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you tune in at those times every single day so you don't miss out on new videos. And thanks for liking and sharing these videos. You can click here to watch my newest video next. And you can click here to see new Social Security payments and schedules, and click on that video if you haven't seen that yet. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.